Hello, art students. Today, our art project is going to be using the art element of form. We call it form whenever there's something 3D. And as you can see with this rainbow, the way the paper is twisted over, it is using 3D. So therefore, this is using the art element of form. So with it being St. Patrick's Day this week, I thought this would be a fun project to do. For this project, you're going to need blue paper and all the colors of the rainbow. Actually, there's a lot more than this, but this is what we're going to use. Let's see, let's get orange in there too. There we go. And we're going to need scissors and some tape, maybe some glue. And if you want to decorate your background after, I use chalk. So I thought I'd experiment since I did this one with really thick bands of color. I thought I would do smaller bands this time to see how it bent over different. Okay, I know you know the color order of a rainbow. Starts with red, then yellow, then orange. I'm trying different ways to tape this, but it seems really helpful to tape it at the beginning here. Then green, then blue, and then purple. So I bunched them at the bottom a little closer than I did the first time, and I think I'm gonna like it better, but I don't know. Part of the fun of doing art is exploring different options, getting different ideas. So I'm going to glue this down or tape it, and then I'm gonna glue a pot that I cut out. Now's the tricky part. I'm gonna try to bend all of these over. I might try to gather them. Kind of try different things. Oh, I think that works pretty good. Now I'm gonna spread them out a little bit. Okay, I like the look of that. I think what I'm gonna do, just to have a little more control over it, is I'm gonna start with those two. Then move on to my green and yellow, orange, and red. And you can play with them a little bit and spread them out and even retape it if you want to try to get it how you want it to lay. And I'm going to glue down my cloud here. And I think it'd be fun if you get some ideas for the background. It'd be kind of fun to add some color. So I'm going to add some chalk because that's nice and fast and easy. And I'm going to put a little hill here. And I have different shades of green, so it's easy enough to throw in a few shades. I'm pretending, because that cloud would be in the sky, but this is just a hill up here that this is resting on, this pot of gold. And you can always lay your chalk or oil pastels or crayons, whatever you have. You could lay it on the side if you're trying to fill that in more. And let's see, I'm going to use some, it's light blue actually. I don't have a white, but it comes off kind of white. So I'm going to put in like some windiness or clouds up here. And you could even do like some shading, or you could put birds in the sky. Use your creativity. Come up with some great idea that I didn't think of. So have a wonderful time doing your project. I'm so excited to get to see with what you came up with. Oh, and don't forget this fun ending. Take some money if you have some. I just got some pennies here, and put some tape on the back and tape them along here, and then that will be your gold. So you have a rainbow with a pot of gold. Have such a fun time. Bye-bye.